Oh, what's hiding in the box? Strawberries, banana, watermelon, pineapple, blueberry, kiwi. Let's make a fruit pizza. These strawberries are so yummy. Hey, do you know what shape I cut them into? Red heart. Next is a kiwi. Do you know what shape the kiwis are? It's a semicircle. Do you know our next fruit? Watermelon. And what shape are the watermelon slices? Red triangle. Next, we have a tropical fruit. My favorite fruit, pineapple. Can you guess the shape of the pineapple slices? Yellow star. And last, round little blueberries. Blue circle. We're squeezing our cream onto the crust. So sweet! Time to decorate our pizza with fruits. Yay! Strawberries, pineapple, kiwi, watermelon, blueberry. All done. Yummy. Best pizza ever. Leo, something is missing. A banana.